నమస్కార్. కొల్లేరు నేత, కొల్లేరు లీడర్ రామరాజు. I wish to share my feelings with you. Listen to our suffering. With you, sir. Madam, sir, India President Draupadi Murmu, India Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, India Home Minister Amit Shah ji, please listen. Sir, please listen to me once, sir. Once you think Telangana government, unpopular government. Telangana people, sad people. Already you know, I don't need to say. Save the people Hyderabad. Save the people Secunderabad, sir. Already you know, I don't need to say, sir. Beautiful megacity Hyderabad, beautiful megacity Secunderabad. Sir. Hyderabad people, Secunderabad people, crying people, sir. Hyderabad, Secunderabad people, sad people, sir. Hyderabad, Secunderabad people, shouting people, sir. Hyderabad, Secunderabad people, crying people, hanging people, shouting people. Please listen, sir. What I am saying is, Kolleru leader Ramarazu, sir, Telangana government immediately suspended. Revant Reddy, ఓటుకు నోటు కేస్, accused person, sir. Revant Reddy bad person. Ranganath, sir, justice, Supreme Court justice, High Court justice, immediately action. Congress government of Telangana dismissed your action. We want justice. We need justice, sir. Once you think, sir, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, people crying, sir. Crying, sir. Once you think, sir. Therefore, I request the authorities to protect us from the useless acts. Sir, please listen. Hyderabad, Secunderabad people situation is very bad, sir. Immediate action. Revant Reddy CM dismissed. Draupadi Murmu India President. Administration Telangana. Sir, what I am saying is, so you must consider all our request and do favor for us, sir. Once you think, sir. So you kind and nice of you, sir. Kolleru leader Ramarazu, sir. I shall take leave now. Thank you, sir.